Already within 1 month, we have seen an upsurge of 346 cases that have been recorded in this county. Although we have not gotten to the mark where we can be locked down, this is a very worrying event. This number, statistics, are people, human beings who are getting sick.
In our borders with the counties which are on lockdown, and there's going to be strict adherence to the protocols that have been put. Nobody is allowed unless there are emergency cases, like cases where people have been referred to go and seek medical attention.